a chocolate protein frappe. So what you need for this recipe is 1 scoop of the Happy Whey chocolate protein powder. You can use whey or vegan. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of cacao powder, a little drizzle of maple syrup just to sweeten it up a little bit. I've got 1 shot here of espresso. I'm going to be using a full glass of ice and 1 cup of almond milk. You can use whatever milk you prefer. So to make it, just chuck all the ingredients into your blender and blend it until it's really creamy. And then I like to top my frappe with a little bit of whipped cream and some chocolate.